Well, this is just not about the company. This is about what's happening overall in the industry. Now, there are certain legal loopholes where the rights issue is below 50 crore rupees. Over there itself, the disclosures are less. Now, what happens is retail does a lot of participation in these rights issues. But these are a lot of companies which are empty companies. They might not have a good fundamentals, or even the company which is being used might be used for round tripping of money. So, a lot of concerns are there, and I hope the regulatory body is watching us, and of course we are the first channels to actually start this in this rights issue space. So this company is called IFL Enterprises. On paper, prima facie, it's just a 1 rupees company, but they want to raise rights issue of almost 49 crore rupees. Now it's just a market cap of almost 138 crore only, and this company is already having a history. If you look at it when it comes to the rights issue, just look at the details. Rights opening on June 23rd, rights renunciation June 25th, rights closing on 30th, right size is 49 crore, share price is just 1 rupees. So it becomes a question, is the company actually legitimate? So we did a little bit of research. We got to know that the company has poor fundamentals. There's literally nothing on their balance sheet and P&L, and the company is dealing, and as per definition, agri-commodity business. No promoter shareholding, that was a very surprising part, and out of which 72% stake is held by the retail shareholders. That's roughly 1,50,000 retail shareholders. So a lot of red flags are there when it comes to the analysis of this company, and of course the company's rights issue is also going to open. So are these rights issue legitimate? Are these companies actually using it for the usage for the company's growth? A lot of questions come, and also a lot of, you could say, senior management exits have happened. And just to break this down, I think there is a research coming in from Sharan Lillaney also. Sharan, good afternoon. Rights issue, it's a concern. Now, is this issue right? That's the question.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. So basically, Sharan, firstly, I don't know what the company exactly does. It says it's into agri commodities. Sometimes it says it's in textile, sometimes it's a real estate trading, but there are no visible assets or execution. The website is a basically WordPress layout. So again, upfront, I would say. And more or less, they did around 120 crores of revenue on back of 3 to 5 employees. So very weird. I'll just tell you a little bit more about the company's dilution in the last 3 years. 1 stock split, 4 bonus issues, and 1 right issue in the last year itself, again below 50 crores. Promoter holding, as you said, went from 3.7% to 0. And Sharad, one more weird thing is just before the last right issue, just after the right issue, the MD resigned, and just after 1 month, the auditor also resigned of the company. So it is very big red flags, and again they are coming up with a similar kind of right issue. Similar under 50 crores. The stock trades at just 1 rupee. So I don't know what to make of it. It's a very weird right issue. I would clearly suggest please do not risk your money in these kinds of issues.
Avoid call coming in, and not only the avoid call, it can be an avoidable company also, because there is literally nothing there for any analyst to actually even look at that company. And I hope the regulatory watchdog actually looks at these rights issues, where the legal loopholes are there, and are these companies just being shell companies? Are the promoters actually there also or not? So a lot of questions are being raised, and that is the reason why we have taken this initiative at ET Now. And of course we'll be covering in detail about all these smaller rights issue in coming days as well. Thank you, Sharan, for joining us.
Thank you.